Right now, if you are looking at your smartphone, even the newest, most expensive model, and thinking it's all you need to create cinematic content, you are falling behind. The game has changed. The standards for vlogging, for travel content, and for professional storytelling on platforms like YouTube and TikTok have skyrocketed. People are no longer just looking for a clear picture. They are looking for an experience. They want smooth, buttery motion, stunning low-light performance, and audio that sounds like you are standing right next to them. And for the longest time, welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You had two choices. Carry a massive, heavy DSLR camera with a gimbal that requires a specialized engineer to balance, or accept shaky, noisy footage from your phone. But in late 2026, DJI is shattering that dichotomy. They are about to release the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and I'm going to tell you something right now that might make you reconsider everything you've bought this year. This tiny device is not just an upgrade, it is the death of professional video production as you know it. Think about the sheer impossibility of what this device does. It is a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, the same technology used in Hollywood movies, shrunk down to fit into your front pocket. But the rumors coming out of DJI's top-secret labs in Shenzhen suggest that the Pocket 4 isn't just about shrinking technology. It's about pushing it to the absolute limit of physics. We are talking about a jump from a 1-inch sensor to a potentially larger, customized sensor that rivals dedicated cinema cameras. Why does this matter? Because of light. The biggest enemy of videography isn't resolution, it's light. A larger sensor means better dynamic range, cleaner shadows, and video that looks like it was shot by a professional DP, not a hobbyist in their bedroom. Imagine walking through the neon-lit streets of Tokyo or New York at night. With your phone, those lights would be blurry blobs, and the dark areas would be filled with digital noise, that ugly, grainy texture that ruins immersion. With the Osmo Pocket 4, the rumored new AI-powered image processing engine will analyze that scene in real time, boosting the exposure in the shadows while protecting the highlights, all without creating that artificial HDR look that looks cheap. This is the moment where portable video finally achieves cinematic quality. And it's all being driven by the insane power of the new rumored proprietary chip, which DJI is calling the Phantom Engine. But a great sensor is useless if the footage is shaky. The Pocket 3 was incredibly stable, but the Pocket 4 is taking it to a level that feels almost unnatural. The leaks suggest a new, stronger motor system that not only compensates for walking but can actually smooth out the jarring motion of running or riding a bike on a bumpy road. It's a zero-gravity stabilization effect. You could literally be jumping off a ledge, and the video would look like it was filmed by a drone hovering perfectly still. And for the creators who are tired of holding their camera in weird positions, the rumored new AI tracking algorithm, ActiveTrack 3.0, will follow your face, your hands, or even a specific object with a tenacity that is genuinely eerie. You can literally walk away from the camera, turn around, jump, and it will keep you in the center of the frame, perfectly focused, without you touching a single button. Let's talk about the design, because this is where the conversation gets heated. The Pocket 3 was almost perfect, but the Pocket 4 is rumored to address the two biggest complaints from creators: heat and durability. The new body design is reportedly made from a magnesium alloy, which acts as a massive heat sink. This means